new part about being in Goa is we have not rented a scooter this time because हम लोग ने कार रेंट किया है and Bhagyaraj is driving in India for the first time. तो देख मत हमें तो रोड पे फोकस कर. We are very scared because India में driving is so difficult. लोग कैसे भी कहीं पे भी चलाते हैं. But we wanted to do a road trip across Goa and then maybe we'll go to Konkan, Maharashtra. यहीं से road drive करके. Super excited to enjoy. बहुत heat है यहाँ पे. But let's hope Goa gives us good views. We rented our car from Gold Park. They have a shop at Goa Airport, and the entire process was completely hassle-free. Hey Bhagyaraj.
Hey.
So, what is the cost of this self-drive car?
It starts from 1,500 per day.
And we are going to also go Maharashtra इधर से तो.
Any small car going outside Goa, for example Karnataka or Maharashtra, they will charge 1,000 per day.
1,000 per day as a permit.
Yeah, permit charges. In association with, in addition to that, you also they also charge 2,500 per reservation as part of permit.
But that is a one time. Okay.
2,500 is one time, 1,000 per day.
अच्छा. Are you excited to drive in India?
Let's see how are the roads. We got this room for only 1,500 per night, and you won't believe how it looks inside. Hey guys, good afternoon. अभी एक्चुअली यहाँ पे दोपहर के 3:30 बज चुके हैं. वी हैव जस्ट चेकड इन, नहीं नॉट जस्ट चेकड इन, वी चेकड इन, वी गॉट रेडी एंड अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं बिकॉज आई वांट टू ईट फिश थाली. सो वी विल बी गोइंग टू वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस रेस्टोरेंट्स ओवर हियर इन गोवा. द एंटायर गोल ऑफ दिस ट्रिप इज़ गोइंग टू highlight, experience all the activities, all the experiences in Goa which is beyond beaches. Hey guys, so our first place is the most famous Vinayak restaurant. यहाँ पे मैं आई हूँ फिश थाली खाने and I'm super excited because I've seen a lot of reels, a lot of vlogs जहाँ पे ये है. So let's go. I am actually definitely going to try the chonak thali. Guys, this is my chonak thali. This is crab shakuti. This is clams, which is also known as tisriya. ये कोई वेज सब्जी है, I think भिंडी. This is my favorite jawra, soul curry, rice, and this is the chonak fry. This is prawns curry. I am just too excited to try this. Trying clams penne. Nice. Crab shakuti. It's also lovely. अभी हम लोग चोनक ट्राई करेंगे. Super. It's very fresh and very nice. I have prawns curry now. It's very tasty. भाग्यराज हैज ऑर्डर एक शाकुटी. भाग्यराज कैसा ही है?
टेक्सचर इज अमेजिंग.
बट इतना खत्म हुआ क्या?
नहीं में जाएगा. क्या पूछे? हाउ वाज योर चोनक थाली?
हाउ इज इट गोइंग?
ओके. नहीं बस ये ऑलरेडी चालू है. अभी से स्टार्ट करता हूँ. बंद कर उसको.
हाँ कर.
गोइंग.
आई हैव फिनिश ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग. बिल भी आ गया है हम लोग का. सोल कड़ी बाकी है विच आई वांट टू ड्रिंक नाउ. बट ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, दिस इज रियली अ गुड प्लेस इफ यू रियली वांट टू ईट गुड क्लैम्स. मतलब मेरा आउट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दिस इनफैक्ट इट इज़ चोनक थाली, पर मेरा सबसे ज़्यादा फेवरेट वॉज क्लैम्स. बहुत 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 बढ़िया. लेट मी फिनिश दिस एंड आई सी यू. Guys, I'm done with my lunch and if you see, door close हो चुका है. So Vinayak closes at 4:30. So in case you want to come, you can come least by least 5 minutes before. They still take orders. But if you come at 4:30, वो लोग orders नहीं लेते. And now we are heading to, there is a flea market in Anjuna जो सिर्फ only Wednesdays होता है, and we are here at the right time. So we are going to go to that flea market today. So we have come over here. And यहाँ पे parking is 100 rupees guys. Like it's too costly, but maybe monopoly है, you never know. And we are paying over here 100 rupees. So guys, we are here at our second spot, which is Anjuna Flea Market. भाग्यराज पैंट्स देख रहा है. कितना बोला उसका? 750 बोला. सुनता भी नहीं है. लेट्स सी ये लेता है कि नहीं.
वाइट है, ब्लैक है.
वाइट ही चाहिए.
वाइट है, प्योर वाइट है.
दिखाओ प्योर वाइट. अंदर आओ. वही सोच रहा हूँ कलर कौन सा लूँ कि वाइट लूँ.
तो वाइट से भी अच्छा ये क्लीन होता है. सबसे बढ़िया तो मतलब तो ये ले लो. बढ़िया कलर है. ठीक है सर. पूरा कलर देने को तो आप बताओ. आप बोलो.
क्या बोलना है इसको?
कितना बोला इन्होंने?
500 लास्ट.
500 बोला. 500 तो ज़्यादा है. 350 ठीक है.
अरे मेरे को वाइट चाहिए था इसलिए मैं सोच रहा हूँ पैसा कम करने को भी सोच रहा हूँ इसके लिए, क्योंकि जो चाहिए था वो है नहीं.
चलो 400 लास्ट.
350 बराबर है.
400
350 बराबर है. हाँ
वाइट नहीं तो मैं सोच भी रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
350 तो मैं ठीक है ले लेता हूँ. ऐसा हो जाएगा. नहीं तो फिर और आके देख के आऊँगा, फिर आपका नुकसान हो जाएगा.
हाँ. So we are done with the flea market. I mean we are not done. जाने का रास्ता तो वहीं से है. But right now we are going to Anjuna Beach, which is just in front of me. And धूप थोड़ा सा कम हुआ है, so it will definitely be a better time for us to enjoy and take pictures. Hey guys, we are here at the Mojim beach and the waves are so soothing and on top of it sun is not at all harsh, इसलिए बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. The wind is brewing very nicely. Let me enjoy the sunset. This is कोकम and lime cashew filling. मैं अभी इसको टेस्ट करती हूँ. बहुत अम्बट लग रहा है मुझे. बहुत अम्बट लगा.
Rosita, this is new and famous in Goa right now.
Hey guys, I am walking on some street in Arambol and we are going for a very unique experience. I'm not sure what it is going to be like, but Bhagyaraj wanted to do that. Isliye we are going. This is called as Shunya Wellness. So let's go inside and find out. So guys, we are done with the Shunya dance experience and honestly बहुत बढ़िया था. Sorry, my eyes are closing because of the flashlight. So we had like initially we went, हम लोग ने थोड़ा सा खाया and then we just went inside. मुझे बहुत थोड़ा time लगा to get used to the music and go with the flow. But I think कुछ तो एक जगह मतलब ऐसा क्लिक हो गया and my body started moving and I was very comfortable. I was not conscious. My hands were moving, my legs were moving, and I won't call it a trance state, but it definitely was something. So if you are someone looking for a unique experience over here in Goa, then you definitely should visit. Unfortunately, it is closing now. It will open again in October. So if you're planning to come in October, please visit.